Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will learn how to lock or unlock a Frigidaire, oven door, control lock, door lock, and self clean. Not all Frigidaire ovens have a physical door lock. Most locks are electronic or activated during self clean. During self clean, the door lock automatically end and will not open until the oven cools down. Let's see step by step solution of this problem. Step 1. Control lock. Prevent accidental use of the oven control. Make sure the oven is off. Press the hold button for 3 seconds. LOC will appear in the display. The control panel is now locked. Press and hold the lock button for 3 seconds. LOC of the lock will disappear. The control panel is unlocked. Step 2. Door lock, manual door latch, and some models. Some Frigidaire oven have a manual door lock lever near the top of the oven door. To door lock, make sure the oven is cool. Slide the down lock lever to the lock position. Close the oven door and to unlock, slide the door lock lever to the unlock position. You can now open the oven door. Method 3. Self-clean door lock. The door lock automatically self-clean for safety. When self-clean start, the door will automatically within a few seconds. Door lock will appear in the display. You will not be able to open the door. The door will remain locked until the oven cools down completely. Door lock will turn off. You will hear a beep sound when the door unlocks. You can also check the models and button variation and troubleshooting problems and possible solution. Note it down for future problems and safety. Here are the quick tips of this video. Control lock does not lock the oven door. Self clean is the only time the door lock automatically. Always let the oven cool completely after self clean. Keep children away from the oven during the self clean. Refer to your owner manual for model specific instruction. And you can also go to their official website for more Frigidaire help and support. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.